Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. And in this video I'm going to be covering a little side project that I just kind of did on a whim just to test out if it was going to work. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So what I went ahead and did was I took the tiny ray tracer, which was a 256 line C++ ray tracing sort of program, which would basically trace out an entire image for you to view. I went ahead and ported this over to the PSP and went ahead and see what it ran like. So I actually have the program working. What the program does is that it basically is going to render one frame. It's going to render it to a specific file, which is a ppm file. You're going to need a specific sort of file viewer to view it, but it's a very easy raw file format as well. I wanted to do this to see exactly how fast the PSP was at ray tracing on at least the main CPU, and it was actually pretty decent. It only takes a few seconds or so for the entire thing to actually go ahead and output a result, which I think is pretty impressive. However, knowing me, I probably could go ahead and do some more optimizations using either Emulib or using the VFPU or something like that, and make a hardware supported version that would be doing a lot more faster ray tracing. I think that this would be a really cool thing to have the PSP be able to do ray tracing and stuff like that. While I'm still exploring some of the possibilities here, I think it's a kind of cool idea just to keep in mind that it might even be possible, as even the PSP SDK has never mentioned ray tracing as something in the graphics sort of engine. I've also been thinking a lot about how the graphics engine of the PSP works, and I would be really interested to looking into that and doing some more lower level work in order to probably improve some performance wise, at least on the SCE-GU utility, if not to create like our own sort of OpenGL port. I think it would be pretty cool if we could write our own sort of graphics driver, which would allow us to interface directly with the GPU, and then go ahead and implement something like OpenGL on top of that, which would be really awesome because you would have actual shaders on the PSP. Now, I'm not sure about the feasibility of this, but it was just a really cool idea that I had, and I decided to share with you guys. While it's not much, it shows off some of the ray tracing effects, and it's a pretty cool little side project. So I hope you guys like this sort of video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.